friends, today I am showing you a flip through of my Cocoa Daisy Simple Dori. So they just released or came out with these simple Dories that are perfect for memory keeping, but they do come bound like a regular traveler's notebook. So like their regular ones, they come bound like this. And so this is July's, and that's what I'm using for the Simple Dori. It's July's. And what I did was I unhinged it, so it comes stapled. I unhinged the staples, and I used those markers as a reference point of where I was going to hole punch it, so it would be bound nicely in these rings. So the reason I did that was because I always make my memory keeping traveler's notebooks really chunky, and they end up getting like unstapled and coming apart. So I went ahead of time and just undid it, and I actually took out some pages as well because I didn't have that many photos for this mini trip, and I kind of reorganized some of the pages as well. So it gives you more flexibility if you want, or you can keep it bound however you want to do it. Anyway, so let's dive into this. So I use this for our mini vacation. So this is the cover. This is the 12 by 12 paper that came on the add-on, and then this is one of the dashboards. And I just glued it onto the regular cover that it comes with. And I added some ribbon that I had in my stash, things like that. So this is my cover, and I just added little elements that came in the kits that you'll see. So a tab that I just stapled, and then the stickers. So we stayed Tuesday through Thursday, so I just used these banners because I realized I never use these days of the week stickers. So I was like, oh, let me make a little banner and then highlight the days that we were there. And this is the vellum that came in this month's kit, and I kind of just cut it to a random size. This is an added element, and I stamped on top. This was a stamp I had in my stash already. All right, and then these circles are from Cocoa Daisy. I forgot what month they came in. And I just wanted the circles to come back to this page type of thing. So to bring it all together, I guess. And then you'll also see that I use the pocket cards from the Memory Keeping Pocket Kit throughout this as well. So I do use lots of elements from different kits to make this whole album. What I loved about the Simple Dori is that it's already laid out for you, so you don't really have to add much if you don't want. So I used some of the washi that comes in the sticker sub, and just put these photos on, added where it was, and went on with my day. What's fun is in traveler's notebooks, you don't only have to do the standard vertical, so you can flip it and make it a horizontal layout if you want. And that's what I liked about this one, since it was like above us and then at our eye level type of thing. See how easy, like this was already on the Simple Dori, and then I just added a 12 by 12 paper, my photo, and then a little cluster of die cuts. This little crab is cut out from this pocket card, which you can't see where it's cut out because it's behind, and then I added a little splash. And then I got this idea from Cheryl, thank you so much. She like ruffles up her washi tape, and it's a perfect way to add an element, like a texture element into your layouts if you don't have ribbon, or if you're not a fan of ribbon. So again, I just add the tabs like throughout the journal. And then the cards from the pocket kit. Then this, my title, Weekend Vibes on the weekday, since we went during the weekday. And then here I just journaled using my typewriter. This was a stamp from my stash. This is actually my favorite layout in this little mini album. I cut some of the 12 by 12 paper. They were a quarter width for each paper, and then I just did some simple weaving in it. It actually didn't take that long, and it was lots of fun to make. And then this is my last page, which is also one of my favorite layouts. My title, You Are My Anchor. These alpha stickers are for my stash, but these are from Cocoa Daisy. And then papers are from the 12 by 12 kit. And then some die cut cluster. And the anchor was my inspiration for this title. So that is my mini album of our little trip to Clearwater using the Cocoa Daisy Simple Dori. I'm super excited to use this. Can't wait to document more in the Simple Dories since they're so easy, since they're already laid out for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments below. Like it if you did. Thanks so much. Till next time. Bye.